Hi Avinash, how are you doing?
Hi, Govardhan. I'm good. How are you?
All good, Avinash. So I know you from quite some time running an agency called IG Accelerators.
Yeah,
See that you were able to work with international clients as well,
yeah.
been into the crypto space and stuff. So it's very interesting to see you because crypto has already crashed and all. So what
Mm.
services are you providing right now?
So we do performance marketing, SEO. We do copy, landing pages, and a little bit of Shopify store building on demand.
Okay,
But 75% of our revenue comes from performance marketing only.
I think you have some clear set of services you're
Yeah,
offering.
yeah.
That is really interesting. And so I very well know that now you have been making like around $40,000 a month uh,
Mm.
some time ago, and
Yeah.
then the crypto problem has came, and now I'm curious now. What's the kind of turnover right now for your agency?
We're doing well beyond $20,000 right now. And that $40,000, we didn't do anything consistently. I would say averaging around 25, 30, but
Okay,
40 is just maybe 1 month. That is like when, previous month
so
payment
it's on
came into
high,
that
yeah.
month or something happened, but it's just for 1 month.
Okay, that's interesting. So I also know because I have been following you and we have been discussing with each other sometimes. So I
Yeah,
also know you were like at one point of time you were hitting the lows, like you were
yeah,
trying to make break even for the agency,
yeah,
managing the 20-member team and all.
yeah.
So how did you from there? How are you able to come to like $20,000 this thing?
Yeah. So back in those days, maybe a year or year and a half, or not even year and a half, maybe a year ago, when crypto crashed, almost 60% of my clients were in crypto. Slowly, steadily, within a month or two, I started losing all my clients, and we were just making $10,000 or little less than $10,000, which is not even break even for me back then. Like a lit, yeah. So I have a team of 20 people, like content creators, copywriters, email people,
A lot of overheads are there actually.
lot of overheads, right? So I always believed in paying people good, but end of the day, sometimes that will not work when your company is in lows. So unfortunately, I should let few people go, and then we are stuck with that in 14 people team, and yeah, from there we harnessed the power of the power of AI and Chat GPT,
Yeah,
OpenAI.
finally you said it, Chat GPT.
Yeah,
I think the craze is all about Chat GPT, and I think very few people are really using Chat GPT
yeah,
in a great way. And most of the programs I see across on internet are generally about just some bunch of prompts or something. But
yeah.
interestingly, what I see is like Avinash has used it to actually renovate his agency. I should use that word, renovate his agency,
Yes, I can.
because he renovated it because his team also has is working along with AI now, like in a combination, they are working like that. So that's really interesting, Avinash, and I think definitely I would like to know more about it. But let us move on to the next thing.
Sure.
Like, how much time do you spend, like, now? And I think this also gives me a question to like, you must be having a 20-member team right now because the revenue is like $20,000, something like that. So is it right or am I?
I have a team of 12 members right now, a lean team of remote team of 12 members.
You cut down the team? Maybe
Yeah,
because I think Chat GPT is also in your team. That's the reason I
yes.
think you cut
Yeah.
down the team.
Without ChatGPT, we're 12. With ChatGPT, we're 24, 30 people.
Okay, that way like it's
Yeah.
doubling down on the things.
Yeah.
Interesting. So how much time do you spend managing your agency? Because I see many agencies who actually do $20,000 a month are generally they're time starved. They don't have
Mm.
time. So how much time do you spend on your agency as a founder?
Um, I spend less than 4 hours a day right now on my agency. Not because I don't have time to spend on my agency, but because I wanted to do something else, like start few micro companies, like SaaS companies, or build some membership programs or whatever. Like I just wanted to do different things in my life right now apart from agency. So I spend four hours per day as of now.
I think that's a lot of luxury an agency owner can have, like having more time for himself. Means
Yeah.
not just agency is just only one part of his daily routine. That's an interesting thing, and many agency owners crave or um, aspire for also do something else because agency business is something which is not very, very scalable. Like it's scalable, but again, profits and margins are equally not scalable.
Yeah.
I think this is interesting, Avinash, and I definitely want Avinash to. I want you to talk on this in a detailed manner.
Sure,
So
sure, definitely.
I'll be inviting Avinash for a 3 hour masterclass kind of a thing, where Avinash is ready to talk about how he actually transformed everything in the agency, the way they're working, cutting down the overheads, and also getting more clients, closing more calls, etc. So I think um, in the masterclass we'll try to help other agencies to get an idea of how you can integrate AI into your agency model. That's the whole. Just not. No, it's not about 10 prompts or 5 prompts you're going to will change your life over there.
In fact, I'll not talk about prompts. Like I'll just say maybe one prompt that.
Yeah, that's prompts is a part, but I think
Yeah.
people can learn because you are a person who's actually used this thing for the agency. So I'm very confident that now this will be helping our community agencies and freelancers, one-man agencies also to scale up and do better. So we'll see you on Sunday, 3 p.m. Avinash, and I'm really excited for this.
Thanks for inviting me, Govardhan. And I'm happy to help anyone and everyone that I could in this workshop from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock on Sunday.
So we'll be sharing a link to join for anyone who's there. You can get a link in this video description above, below, or wherever, depending on wherever this video is.
Platform.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Govardhan. Bye.